We are Team Code Rocket, and
And today we are addressing a critical issue in cybersecurity. Our project is named Opfusca and its mission is simple to be your code's armor. Every piece of software is vulnerable to reverse engineering. To combat this, Opfusca is built on four key features. First, advanced control flow flattening, which turns the logical structure of a program into a confusing maze. Second, runtime encryption, which automatically encrypts all text, decrypting it only when needed. Third, bogus code injections, which inserts dead-end functions to mislead and waste an attacker's time. And finally, we have automated security reporting, which generates a clear PDF report as proof of the protections applied. Now, let me show you how this comes together in a live demo. This is our web interface. First, a developer uploads their standard C or C++. Next, our system gives the developer full control over the level of security. They can choose which obfuscation passes to apply. For this demo, I will select all the features. Once the options are selected, we just click Obfuscate. The Obfusca engine processes the code and instantly generates two reports, the protected executable and the analysis report. Let's quickly look at the report. This PDF automatically details all the protections that were applied. It logs the method of obfuscation, it counts the number of fake code blocks we inserted, and it even confirms the number of strings we encrypted. This gives the developer full transparency and the proof of obfuscation. So, what did we just do? Afusca is an LLVM-based tool that automatically transforms C++ code into a protected, difficult-to-analyze binary. It integrates directly into the compilation process, applies layers of powerful security, making it a nightmare for attackers to understand the program's logic. Let me show you a visual representation of the transformation. On the left, you see the program's original structure. It's clean, logical, and very easy for an attacker to analyze. But on the right is the exact same program after Opaska protected it. The original flow is completely hidden, the logical structure is flattened, and the text is scrambled. This is the core of our protection. We have built this on a robust industry standard technology stack to ensure performance and reliability. The core engine uses LLVM and Clang for the compiler level transformation. The backend logic for our custom passes is written in C++, and the user interface is a simple Python web app targeting both Windows and Linux platforms. For the future of Afasca, we are planning to develop a graphical user interface for easy add support for more programming languages and integrate into popular CI/CD pipelines. To conclude, Afasca provides a strong, transparent, and easy to use defense for valuable software assets. Thank you.